Hi beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm super excited to share with you dolls today the new Sailormoon times Colourpop collection. I had posted this look recently to my TikTok and I got so many requests to show more swatches and to show more of the products. So I definitely will have a full tutorial for you dolls of this look soon, but in the meantime, I just wanted to show you some swatches and to give you an idea of how the products do look. They are absolutely gorgeous. I have truly never seen anything like this collection. The shades in the palette are just absolutely stunning. And so here is pretty much everything, and I'm also going to be having a giveaway today, so make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and comment below, and you'll be entered to win some of these Sailormoon Colourpop goodies for yourself. One of the first items I couldn't wait to share with you dolls is the ultra blotted lip kits that come in the Sailormoon times Colourpop collection, and this is the Moonlight Ultra Blotted Lip Kit. It retails for $15, and can we just talk about how gorgeous the packaging and the artwork in itself is? I just can't get enough of it. It has a sort of holographic look to it, and it actually does change colors. So I will definitely be saving this packaging, putting it on display in my beauty room because it is so gorgeous. And there is Luna. I can't even speak. I love it that much. It's just, the artwork is crazy, and it's all kind of embossed with this holographic effect, which I just can't even believe how beautiful it is. So, and there's the crescent moons. So the packaging in itself is just everything, but of course the products, wait till I show you the products and how they wear and apply and feel. Oh my god, girl. So anyway, you can buy each lip in the kit separately and they retail for $8, but I'm just showing you right now. This is the Moonlight Lip Kit, and so this is the Sailormoon Ultra Glossy Lip. It's a pinky coral gloss with gold pinpoints, and it feels absolutely amazing on my lips. The staying power was everything. It definitely does last on your lips, and this shade is gorgeous. It's just such a stunning pinky coral, like it's described on the Colourpop website. So I figured to swatch it on my arm so you could see how it applies, but it's just so gorgeous. So there it is when it's kind of built up a bit, but it's just absolutely stunning. The packaging also has the crescent moons on it. It has the holographic iridescent effect, and everything is pretty much pink and gold, so I absolutely love that. So this is the Bunhead Ultra Blotted Lip, and it is a sheer rosy pink lip, and this comes also this is the two shades in the Moonlight Lip Kit, but you can purchase each one separately for $8 like I mentioned earlier, but it's just gorgeous. So here is the Daylight Lip Kit, and this is actually the lip kit that I'm wearing in the TikTok video that I showed earlier. So what I like to do with these lip kits a lot of times is that I will outline with the ultra blotted lip and then use the gloss for the center of my lips. It makes such a stunning effect. So again, this is the Daylight, the same packaging. So here is the Acai Ultra Bloodied Lip. It is a sheer mid-tone pink lip, and it wears like a creamy matte formulation, as do all the Ultra Blotted lips. They feel like a creamy matte lipstick. They're just absolutely amazing. I love them. And like I said, this is the one I was wearing in the TikTok video. I used it like a lip liner and outlined, and then I filled in the center with the Moon Tiara Ultra Glossy Lip. This is a yellow orange gloss with gold and pink pinpoints. So, oh my gosh, these really don't show up on my arm as well as they do on your lips. I mean, on your lips, they just take on a life of their own and they just look unbelievable. But I just figured we'd have some fun today and play with some swatches. But there it is. It's super long lasting, and these are the two lip kits in this Sailormoon collection. So here is what y'all have probably been waiting for. This is the Pretty Guardian palette from the Sailormoon collection. It is pretty much just unbelievable. It's filled with the most gorgeous pastel shades that are pastel, but they're super vibrant. It's really crazy. It's very unique. And there are just the most gorgeous mattes, metallics, foiled, and super shock finishes in this palette. And here is the inside packaging, which is so amazing. It's kind of has a 3D effect to it. It's really, really, I've never seen anything like that, and I love the artwork too, so it's amazing. It really is. So here are the shades inside. They're just so gorgeous. And again, this is what I was wearing in the TikTok video, because even though they're pastels and they are vibrant, they're really super vibrant, even though like they are pastel, but they're vibrant pastels, so it's very unique. Although you can, I built mine up, you can definitely use them as a wash of color too, but whatever your preference might be. But I figured I'd show you guys some swatches on my arm. So what I'm going to swatch first are the metallic, the foils, and the super shock finishes. And they're so stunning. I'm going to show a better look in a moment up close of everything, because it's kind of hard to see here. But yeah, my camera wasn't working the best for me that day, but I'll get a better picture in a moment for you guys. But this palette does retail for $20, so it's pretty amazing, especially when you see the quality and the artwork and just everything about it. It's phenomenal. So do you guys love this collection so far? I know I do. Definitely keep watching so I can tell you more about the giveaway, but I am going to be giving away 5 pieces of Colourpop goodies. So some are going to be from the Sailormoon collection, and some are going to be some other of my Colourpop favorites, but you will receive a 5-piece box of goodies from Colourpop. So can't wait to see who wins, because this palette is everything. So here's a much better shot of all of the shimmers and the foils and the super shock shades. Aren't they just crazy good? They're just so stunning and so unique. So I just can't even believe how gorgeous they are. And they also you can pay with Afterpay as well, so that's another option. If you wanted to pick up this collection, they do take Afterpay on Colourpop website, so it's pretty awesome. And now here are the mattes in the collection. For me, I feel like the mattes, they're just stunning. And they're really unique, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try it for yourself. I really couldn't get a good shot of them, though, because my lighting in my camera was not acting right, but I just was having so much fun. I just wanted to show you guys some swatches on my arm, but they're definitely very unique shades that I do not have in any other palettes that I have. So again, these are the mattes. Pretty much there is a shimmer thrown in there because why not? So here is the blushes in the Sailormoon collection. Oh my god, these blushes are crazy good. I just can't. I love Colourpop blushes, but these are outrageous, because you're gonna see just how amazing these are. They have, again, the 3D artwork on the packaging, so not only is the Colourpop blushes are phenomenal, but look at that packaging. I just can't even. Can you believe it? I don't even know how. I don't want to use it. It's so beautiful. It's just too beautiful to even use. But here it is, guys. It's Luna's face embossed in the blush. Look at, oh my god. Could you use, how are we going to use this, guys? It's so gorgeous. Oh my god. And I did used the blush as well in my TikTok video. So I used the From the Moon blush, which is the more pinkish shade. So actually the one I was just showing you was From the Moon, and this one is Acai, because they look a little similar, but they're really totally different. So the one that I previously was showing you was From the Moon. That's the one I'm wearing in the TikTok, and this is Acai. So Acai is a pearlized rosy pink with silver pinpoints, and the From the Moon is a matte vibrant pink. So this one has a little bit of reflex of silver in it, the Acai. So it's so stunning. And then here is the Glitterily Obsessed. This is the Colourpop glitter gel, and this is the Moon. Oh, I'm sorry, is this the Moon? Let's see when we open it, because there's two different glitter gels in the collection. So wait till you see these, you're not gonna believe your eyes. They're so beautiful. Okay, yeah, so this is the Moon Prism Power. These are so long wearing. I literally cannot believe how long wearing these are. They do, they describe them as a body gel. Sometimes some people have, but I actually do put them on my face, and they've never irritated me or anything. I put them on my eyes. I put them all over. They're so long wearing, and it's a glitter pack gel paste, which provides ultra intense sparkle. And this shade is described as a soft lilac with opalescent flip and moon-shaped glitter. So, OMG, these swatches are doing it no justice. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Do you guys see the little stars and the little crescent moons inside of the gel? It's crazy. I don't know how Colourpop thought of this, but it's amazing. So that's another shot of it, but it also looks good when it's a sheer wash of it. I just built it up just to show you the color. But actually, when you sheer it out and do like a sheer wash of it on your body or your face or even your eyes, it looks just so beautiful. So this is the other more pink tone shade in the gel, in the Sailormoon glitter gel. So this is Moonlight Legend. It is a soft pink gel paste. It has multi-dimensional glitter, and oh my gosh, this was the one I was actually wearing in the TikTok. I put it on my cheekbones. I actually did put it on my eyes, on my eyelids, but I'm not sure if you guys saw that. But I will have a full tutorial of that look coming soon for YouTube, so you guys can see, exactly how, how I used it for myself and how I made that look. But that's pretty much everything in the collection. So make sure you're subscribed and like this video and comment below that you'd like to take part. And I will be sending one of you beauties some items from the Sailormoon collection. And don't forget, you can always use my promo code 5Alegra and you will receive extra savings on your Colourpop order. So just head to the Colourpop website. I'll have it linked below, and use the code 5Alegra and you will be getting extra savings on your Colourpop order. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll be picking the winner very soon, so I can't wait to see who wins these amazing Colourpop goodies. And that's pretty much it. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Remember, stay positive, stay focused on good things, stay safe, and I love you guys so much.